Hola you guys, so today's video is sponsored by Huntr Faulknr Cosmetics. This video will show you how to use the Heartbeat blending sponge in multiple ways. As you just saw, I used the black Heartbeat sponge to blend out my primer and color corrector. Next, I'm taking the same sponge to blend out my foundation, and this sponge works for liquid, cream, stick foundations, all of the above. One trick pony? I think not. Same sponge, new color. I like to take my pink Heartbeat blending sponge to apply any loose powder just for baking underneath the eye and to really chisel out those cheekbones. Oh, yes ma'am, what a flawless blend. Girl, I look so sickening and snatched, you can't tell me nothing, honey. And there you have it, full beat with no mess. Ever since I got this sponge, I have not put it down, you guys. I have rinsed and washed this sponge so many times and it still comes back to its original form. Alright you guys, don't forget to like and leave a positive comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.